Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Aisyah Ibrahim with a student ID number 4414200013. On this occasion, I will explain about the practicum of Module 2. Synthesis of calcium sulfate from limestone. Objective: study the synthesis of calcium sulfate from limestone. C. Literature review. Calcium carbonate are one of the most abundant minerals in the earth crust. They occur in the form of limestone and chalk, formed from fossil, and marble, formed from the metamorphosis of sedimentary rock. The calcium looping process for carbon dioxide capture, which has been already demonstrated at scale 50, based on the reversible carbonation or calcination reaction of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide plus carbon dioxide product calcium carbonate. The production of calcium, plaster, and gypsum binder is based on the ability of gypsum to release water when heat according to the following reaction. Calcium sulfate is one of several sulfate scale and is also called gypsum-like carbonate. It can form either as a result of mixing dissimilar water or naturally as a result of change in the temperature as the water travels from the subsurface on the surface treating facility. The presence of lime-free calcium carbonate in the soil can be determined by dripping 10% chloride acid. The presence of a spark indicates the presence of free limestone. More spark, the more limestone content in the soil. Sodium chloride is obtained from the product of making sodium bicarbonate by the sulfate process. Can also be obtained by dissolving calcium hydroxide or calcium carbonate in HCl. Method 1. Experimental tool and materials. Tools 1. Evaporation cup, 2. Pipette, 3. aluminum flask, sieve, beaker glass, spray bottle, stirring rod, and measuring cup, reagent bottle, vacuum filter, analytic balance, desiccator, furnace, oven, and foam hot. And material sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, potassium acid, sodium carbonate, sodium oxalate, limestone, and aqueous. 2. Experimental work scheme. Start 1. Weighing 2.0 grams of already crushed limestone is smooth. 2. Heat in the furnace at 900 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. 3. Soak the powder with 50 ml distilled water and 25 ml HCl for 50 minutes while stirring. 4. Filter the solution and then filtrate. And next, filtrate. And 5. Concentrate aqueous solution by means of heat or vaporize. A solution not to precipitate is formed when formed. Stop heating and add aqueous drop by drop until it dissolves again. 6. Add drop by drop 1 molar hot asam sulfate while stirring until it forms a solid white. Help with coolant if necessary. 7. Filter the sediment that formed and then pat dry. 8. Wait solids formed. Mass of filter paper minus mass of empty filter paper. Product 2.0187 grams minus 1.0020 grams. Product 0.67 grams. Qualitative text 9. Dissolve a little bit of result in the synthesis of sulfuric acid and drop it with 1 molar potassium thiocyanate. 10. Take a little synthesis result, dissolve solid with 10 ml of nitric acid 1 molar and a few drops of sodium carbonate with 1 molar. 1. The color of the solution turns pale pink. 2. The color of the solution remains clear and product many bubbles. And finish. E. Result and discuss. 1. Result. 1. Treatment. Grind the limestone into finished particle, then size particle, then sieve with a evaporation of 100 mass. Observation. The drop limestone was transformed into a finished particle. 2. Treatment. Weighing about 2.0 grams of the fine-sized limestone, then heating into the furnace for 1 hour. Observation: 2.0 grams of the 100 mesh were heated in the furnace. The color of the limestone after being heated into ivory white. 3. Treatment: soaking the powder with 50 ml of distilled water and 25 ml of HCl for 50 minutes while stirring the filter. Observation: the solution faded brown, and after it was filtered it becomes clear. And treatment: for concentrate the filter obtained by heating or evaporating. It forms sediment and the clear of the agglutinin becomes faded pink. And 5. Treatment: adding aqueous drop by drop while heat. Observation: no sediment. 6. Treatment: adding drop by drop concentrate asam sulfate while stirring. And observation: white deposit are formed calcium sulfate. And 7. Treatment: filter the precipitate that white foam and dry the precipitation. And observation: deposit calcium sulfate is formed. 8. Treatment: weighing the precipitation that was formed. Observation: mass of filter paper minus mass of empty filter paper. Product: 2.0187 grams minus 1.0020 grams. Product: 1.067 grams. And 9. Treatment: dissolve a little amount of solid from the synthesis in sulfuric acid and add a new drops of potassium thiocyanate. Observation: the color of the solution turns pale pink. And 10. Treatment: dissolve a small number of solid in 10 ml of HNO3 1 molar. Add a few drops of natrium carbonate. And observation: the color of the solution remains clear and product many bubbles. Calculating 1. Weight of the sediment. Sediment weight equal to mass of filter paper minus mass of empty filter paper. Sediment weight equal to 2.0187 grams minus 1.0020 grams equal to 1.0167 grams. 3. Gravimetric factor equal to AR calcium divided by MR calcium sulfate equal to 40 divided 136 and equal to 0.29 grams. And percent calcium in calcium sulfate equal to 1.0167 grams multiplied by 0.29 grams divided by 2.0 grams multiplied by 100% and equal to 40.74 to 150%. 2. Discussion. Pound as much as 2 grams of limestone has a goal of being vaporized at 900 degrees Celsius temperature. Because the size of the particle radius can affect the velocity of evaporation by reduction the limestone particle. The heat given to vaporize the limestone can be reduced because it travels faster to the nucleus of smaller particles than large ones. So the time it will take to vaporize the perfectly available yams will be quicker. Warming at 900 degrees Celsius temperature for 1 hour is intended to vaporize carbon dioxide compound in limestone so that the solvent that remain are calcium monoxide solvent. And reaction: calcium carbonate product calcium monoxide plus calcium dioxide. After leaving the furnace, the limestone powder is put in a desiccator to cool quickly to continue the product. The heating process at 900 degrees Celsius before remaining carbon monoxide solid. Furthermore, the cool limestone powder is mixed with HCl and distilled water 25 ml HCl and 50 ml aqueous. This process is carried out for 50 minutes while stirring to accelerate between particles so that faster it reacts. The distilled water and HCl present in the powder serves as a cleaner. Where is clean impurity then when carbon monoxide is reacted with reagent, it can react perfectly. The reaction occurs carbon monoxide plus HCl product calcium chloride plus water compound, then asam sulfate addition to carbon monoxide clean solution, resulting in a product of calcium sulfate with a similar reaction. Calcium monoxide plus asam sulfate product calcium sulfate plus uh, water compound. After 50 minutes of submerged, the solution is defiltered and separated by filtration and then emitted by evaporation. Then refilter the white deposit that formed. Next, weigh the white deposit that is formed, resulting in the weight of the sediment 1.0167 grams. Further on the qualitative test, the solid formed in the synthesis were extraction slightly and dilute in sulfuric acid and rubbed with potassium thiocyanate 1 molar, giving the otherwise clear a pink solution. Similar reaction obtained between calcium sulfate synthesis result and suggest potassium thiocyanate, which is calcium sulfate plus potassium thiocyanate product kalium sulfate plus calcium thiocyanate. The pink color of the solution is substance found in potassium thiocyanate, while the white sediment is calcium thiocyanate. Then the last one was dissolving synthesis solid by 10 ml of nitric acid, 1 molar, and natrium carbonate. The result of the reaction product continue eject small bubble and small white deposit. The reaction that happened was calcium sulfate plus asam nitrate product calcium nitrate and asam sulfate. The solid of calcium sulfate in asam nitrate are very slow. This is because the acidic nature of calcium sulfate and asam nitrate makes them slow to react according to H1. The solution was then reacted with sodium carbonate with the following reaction equation. Calcium nitrate plus sodium carbonate product calcium carbonate plus natrium nitrate. The resulting product result in white deposit and the presence of bubble that result from calcium carbonate and natrium nitrate reaction. Here is picture qualitative test. F. Conclusion. Limestone is one of the principal sources in the manufacture of calcium sulfate. Since limestone has a high calcium content, the calcium sulfate deposit obtained from limestone at this time of the trial is 1.0167 grams, where the qualitative calcium sulfate deposit were made clear with sulfuric acid and potassium thiocyanate. There were white deposit and color change into pink, while at the time it was rejected with nitric acid and sodium carbonate formed white deposit and there was a bubble of gas. Calcium sulfate deposit weight obtained by 50.835% and calcium deposit gain 40.7420 That the presentation of the material for Module 2. Sorry if there are misspelling. Thank you.